Hey friends, this is Atif Opiorval and welcome to the new update on Render. In my so many previous videos, I've been showing you that Render has formed a very long-term down channel on a 7 days time frame chart. And I've been telling you that after the breakout from that channel, we can expect a very massive rally. And this was one of those videos. By the way, this video I shared after the breakout. But before the breakout, I've been sharing with you different stable videos as well. And this was the channel that I was showing in so many previous videos that the price informed. And from the month of November 2021 up till the month of October 2022, the price has been moving inside this channel. The technical target that I've been telling you for this breakout was here at the top of the channel at approximately at $8. That was the top of this channel, the technical target. And you can see that the price rallied beyond that target from this low to here. And you can see that this was almost 3,640%, very massive rally. And during this rally, the price formed a small down channel, broke it out. And now recently it formed another small down channel and broke it out as well. You can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, almost 5 weeks ago, we have broken it out. And recently we have also broken out this very long-term resistance of $8 that was previously working as a resistance here. And now it can work as a strong support for the price line of Render. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Render that I shared a few days ago on 22nd of October, 22nd of November 2024 with my members. And so far, this signal has produced almost 30% pump. But before analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Render that I shared on 22nd of November 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern that Render formed on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade signal, the buying's on and the sell target's on and the stop loss. And you can see that after the completion of the final leg, the price was slightly moved up. Therefore, I told my members that we can wait for the price to drop more down. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that once again, the price dropped down, re-entered the buying on here. Then we had a very nice reversal here and here. And so far, it has pumped almost 29%. And if you would like to catch each other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now, let's move to the live chart of Render. And first of all, I'm going to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several weeks or months, the price was stuck inside this quite long down channel since after the month of March 2024. Now, if we take a look at the smaller time frame on a 4-hour time frame chart, that here, Render has formed another up channel. And this is the support of this newly formed up channel. This is the resistance. And here we have the support of this up channel. And if this time the price will test the support of the channel, then it can also test this long-term support that was previously working as a very strong resistance, and now it can break. In fact, it is working as a support. You can see that we had a bounce here on 2nd of December 2024. We had a nice bounce from this support of $8. Along with that, it can also test the support of this channel. For example, if the price then breaks it down, then technical target will be here at the bottom of the channel. That will be approximately at $6.28. And if the price then breaks out the channel, first let me to show you the target for the breakout from this down channel. The technical target for the breakout from this down channel is by the way here at the top of the channel, where we have a quite long-term resistance on that starts from $12.50 and goes to $13.85. And if we take a look at the target for the smaller down channels breakout, and in case of breaking out the smaller down channel, first it can hit the target here approximately at $11.63. But in my opinion, after the breakout from this channel, it can hit this resistance on, and then it can also hit the target for the breakout from this bigger down channel as well. And that target is here at the top of the channel, approximately at $13.85. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. You can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.